Guys, off for 94 here with Nate. We got Tanya and Brooke. Beautiful. I don't care how cold it is. I'm not showing my foot, you friggin' perverts. Alright.
Don't run it dead, by the way. Yeah.
I should just leave it cranking for like 15 seconds and then...
I smell gas.
Brandon will tell you this battery's going.
Alright, hold on, we're gonna try something.
You got mud all over your master cylinder.
Oh, who gives a crap? That thing don't work for... The brakes in this thing don't work for shit.
2-barrel carburetor, right?
Yeah, 2-barrel.
That. You like it? Turn the throttle up a little bit.
No. They're not tall. There is some antifreeze in there. Not, I can't see me right now, but there is some. Yeah, after a while it'll start blowing around. I gotta let the battery charge for a while. The battery's pretty low. Oh, dude. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Okay, I'm stepping back.
I think I officially shit my pants. Doing this one-handed sucks. Oh. And my hand's like frozen. Let me see if it'll move first. Hold on. Screw ass protection. No, it's not going anywhere. You see that? Alright.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not as cold as it was before, it's still over. Come on. Redline it. Redline it. Come on. Just like floor it. Oh. Oh, you don't know.
Oh, blue smoke. That's a good sign. What? Oh, screw it. Who needs that shit?
Are you sure there's any in it?
Who needs that shit? That is cool. It comes right off the engine, and it's just the headers. Oh, I can't even feel my fingers anymore. Nice. Brooke's hiding. There's the bulldozer. Nice. I don't think we should piss off the neighbors, so I don't think she really cares. Leave it run, battery needs charge. Careful getting out. Yeah, for once.
I've never heard you run like that before.
That's because
Yeah. Okay, we're charging, and we have almost no gas. It's good. It's good. Who knows? Right. On the tractor. Here, hold the camera. It's recording. All right. Hey, come here. Check out how you start this. Don't blow the battery up. All right. You enter the fuel in there. Turn this on. I think you push that button, right? Come on. Oh. It runs. That's fucking hot. Uh-oh.
How do I drive it?
I don't know. I don't think we should move it. Probably not. Why is it running like a bag of shit? As long as it runs, right? What? As long as it runs. Yeah, it's running. That screwdriver is freaking hot. Damn it. I touched it as soon as I let go. I'm gonna shut it off now. Okay, let's run it out of gas. I shut the fuel off and we're gonna let the carb run dry. So that way we don't get a sticky varnish mess. Shut this thing off. Battery's charged. Yeah, and my hands burn. It still hurts. Remember Dave's car, right? Yeah. Come on, run out of gas. Sounds like it wants to. It will. Yeah. There it goes. Ran out of gas. Okay. I gotta turn the switch off so we don't kill the battery. Where is it? There it is. Cool.
I never heard that.
That thing?
No, not that. I was saying I never heard this really much.
Okay. See you later, guys.